Welcome to Gail's Garden Herbs and More. This is a new big hit among gardeners, and let me tell you, it is so cool. This is a Greenstalk, and they have actually two different types. The original has longer little pockets. I'm not sure. I think they're about 10 inches or so. I'm really not sure. These look to be about 7. This is a little bit smaller. There's 6 pockets on each level, and you've got 5 levels plus the waterer on top. And it has the whole watering system. You pour the water in the top, and it goes down through it and waters each pocket. I'm going to be talking, I have my video all about it on Rumble, Gail's Garden Herbs and More on Rumble. Go over there and check it out. I will describe, and you can follow along with me as when I'm putting it together, how I did it, and we're going to talk about the strawberries that I planted in it. We're also going to be talking a little bit about local farms and businesses and how important it is to use them. And in my description box there on Rumble, I give some addresses of some local businesses and stuff. Now this that you can use, the Greenstalk's not local to me, but it is an American family business, and I think it's really important to support our American families. So their businesses, the farms, all of that. And go over to Rumble, check it out. I'm just trying to keep in touch with you here on YouTube. If you can't get into Rumble for some reason, it used to be a little bit harder and things didn't work quite as well. They did an update on it, and things are working better. And I'm not having any problems. Let me tell you something. I did a video about the passing of Rush Limbaugh. I did actually 2 different videos on it, one for YouTube and one for Rumble. And let me tell you the difference. On Rumble, I think I have about 400 views on that within a short time. And on YouTube, I only have I don't know what it is, 14, somewhere between 14 and 20 maybe at the most views on YouTube. I haven't looked in a few days, but nothing compared to, and there's way more people on YouTube than Rumble. But YouTube, I'm telling you, if YouTube decides they don't like you for some reason, it's really strange how people just don't seem to find your videos. I don't know why it is that way. I don't know what the difference is. I'll leave that up to you. I'm not going to say, but I'm thankful for YouTube, for the people I've met there through YouTube. But I am over at Rumble if you want the full video, and you can see why I would rather put my videos there than on YouTube. But I still don't want to lose all my friends on my YouTube account either. So hang in there with me. Love you all. You're such wonderful people. God bless. Bye now.